Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making guava syrup using xanthan gum. I have 2 dozen guavas and I'm cutting away the remains of the flowers. I'll cut those in two, place in a saucepan and then cover with water. Then cover the pot, bring it to a boil and boil that for 15 minutes. Then I will strain that through a colander and then through cheesecloth. Here in a saucepan I have 3 cups of guava juice. Unto that I'm adding 2 cups of sugar. I also added 1 tablespoon lime juice. I'm stirring it to dissolve the sugar. Then I will cover it, bring it to a boil and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Here I have 3 cups of guava syrup and I'm going to prepare the xanthan gum. I have 1 teaspoon of icing sugar and 0.6 grams of xanthan gum. You do not need a lot of xanthan gum for this syrup. I'm pouring 1 cup of guava syrup into a bowl and I'm adding the xanthan gum mixture. Then I'm using a whisk to combine the ingredients and I'll mix that until it thickens. Then pour that back into the container with the 2 cups of guava syrup. Then use a food mixer to mix those together for 30 seconds. Then it's time to skim the syrup, and once I have skimmed the foam, then I'll pour it into a jar and leave that in the refrigerator. You do not need to add xanthan gum to this syrup. If you notice, the guava syrup is already very thick and it's clearer than with xanthan gum. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.